In 1957, the visionary Danish architect Jørn Utzon was a relative unknown until he won the honour of designing Australia's national opera house. Two nations intertwine in this spirit-forward martini. Place a mini gherkin onto a cocktail stick. Chill a Nick and Nora glass and put to one side. Fill a mixing glass with cubed ice. Amontillado sherry is characterized by notes of nuttiness and rich umami. Hailing from Denmark, Snaps Bornholm No. 2 showcases some of the country's finest ingredients, including sea buckthorn, dill, and cucumber. Geranium gin is another Danish ingredient that has a gentle mix of juniper and floral nuances both on the nose and palate. Marine botanical vodka is distilled using sustainable and forest Australian ingredients that impart further umami flavours into this cocktail. Stir for 10 to 15 seconds. Dip taste. Empty ice from Nick and Nora glass. Strain. Garnish. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.